If your games are randomly lagging, stuttering, or dropping frames even though you have a good PC, don't worry. This is usually caused by a corrupted DirectX Shader Cache, and we are going to clear it step by step. First, we need to use the built-in Windows Disk Cleanup tool to safely wipe the old shader files. Open your Windows Start menu, type Disk Cleanup, and select the application. Choose your local disk C from the drop-down menu and click OK. A new window will pop up with a list of files. Scroll down and check the box next to DirectX Shader Cache. Make sure to uncheck everything else so you don't delete other important files. Click OK at the bottom, and then click Delete Files. Once the process is finished, open your game to check if the stuttering is gone. If you are still experiencing frame drops, the second step is to use the Windows storage settings to clear any remaining temporary cache that Disk Cleanup might have missed. Open your Windows Start menu and click on Settings. Go to System, and then click on Storage on the left side menu. Click on Temporary Files, which might take a few seconds to load. Scroll down the list, check the box next to DirectX Shader Cache, and uncheck everything else. Click on the Remove Files button at the top. Close the window and check your game performance now. If the issue persists, the third step is to temporarily disable and reset the shader cache settings inside your graphics card software, which forces your PC to rebuild clean files. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, right-click on your desktop and open the NVIDIA control panel. Go to Manage 3D Settings on the left. Scroll down the list of global settings until you find Shader Cache Size. Click the drop-down menu, change it to Disabled, and click Apply at the bottom. Restart your computer. After the restart, open the NVIDIA control panel again. Go back to Shader Cache Size and change it back to Driver Default or Unlimited. Click Apply. Now, launch your game. Keep in mind that the game might stutter slightly for the first 2 minutes while it generates the brand new clean shaders, but after that, your gameplay will be perfectly smooth and stutter-free. If this step-by-step guide helped you fix your game's stuttering and boost your FPS, please leave a like and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tutorials. See you in the next one.